Today I was browsing YouTube. I was looking at this guy's channel. His name is Thor Aarsand. Now, I was looking at his channel because I was looking at people that create similar content to mine. Going over his videos, analyzing it, because that's what we do on my channel. That's what we do out here, boys. I've been watching this guy's videos for a while now, and I decided to finally look him up on Instagram, because he teaches people how to grow on Instagram, so I figured I might as well look him up. And while I was searching up his name on Instagram, I found something a little peculiar. So when you look up Life by Thor, which is his Instagram page, you also find Life by Thor fan page, Life by Thor fan page 1, and fan page _ Life by Thor. To me, this was like the highlight of my day. I just found something juicy. Like, usually all I'm doing every day is just watching YouTube videos, looking at analytics. So you know what we do on this channel, boys. We're going Scooby-Doo on his ass. We're pulling up all the dirt. We're figuring out what the real deal is. To me, that was a little bit suspicious. Upon further inspection, Life by Thor fan page is following 5,000 people with 6 posts. Oh, would you look at that? Life by Thor fan page 1 is also following around 5,000 people with 6 posts. Oh, no way! Fan page _ Life by Thor is also following around 5,000 people with 6 posts. Now, if you look when the account was created, all of the posts were around the same time, which is August 23rd, 2018. Also, just by looking at the bio, extremely similar. So you're trying to tell me that this guy has 3 pages, 3 fan pages, all named very similar, following 5,000 people with the same amount of posts, and the captions are all about the same thing. So swag, so cute, I have a 6-pack, please follow me. All of the bios on the accounts are all tagging his main account. Oh my god, guys, do you know what this means? We've been doing it wrong all along, god damn it. This guy has it all planned out. He has 3 fan pages, outsourcing new followers, 15,000 new people just saw a 6-pack, guys. We need to be following this guy. We need to be doing exactly what this guy is doing if we want Instagram followers. So cute. His swag. OMG. So hot. Be mine. Guys, just when you thought it couldn't get any better, I was going through the comments of his posts, and here we have Catherine Fairbanks. You've got to be real full of yourself to create a fan page of yourself and write all sorts of these captions. And then you got Sorcha _ Maria. It isn't actually him. Laughing face. Whether or not these are his fan pages, the evidence is there. Who are you gonna trust more? Catherine or... Obviously, it didn't look like it worked out for him, otherwise he would have kept doing it. But it did make for a pretty good video. So regardless of whether those are his pages or not, is it ethical? Probably not. But is it okay to laugh at him for being so goddamn desperate and cringy? Hell yeah. I teach people how to grow using tips and tricks, methods that I've used, tried and true. So if you guys want to learn, please watch my other videos. I'm going to try to make more entertaining videos like this.